Let me ask you a serious question. How would you like to earn up to $50 per hour online by just visiting a few websites? If this is you and you want to learn how, you definitely want to stick to the end, and this video starts right now. Hey, welcome back. My name is Nate, and if this is your first time here, and if you're looking to make a passive income online and other ways to make money online, you can start right now by subscribing to the channel and hitting the bell notification. So today I'm going to talk about the 3 websites people just like you are making $50 an hour just by visiting a few websites. So one that I have in front of me here is usertesting.com. So what people do here is they get to test various websites, test various apps, various digital products. And as you can see here, there's a lot of companies like Walmart, Facebook, Expedia, Ancestry.com, eBay, and so forth. A lot of companies are paying people to test out a lot of these digital products to make sure that they're good to go before they get released to the public. So in order to get started with something like this, you go ahead and click on Get Paid to Test. And what's great about usertesting.com is that you can earn up to $60 per test. So all you have to do is to visit a website, complete a set of tasks, and this is by doing this to speaking your thoughts out loud and getting paid. If usertesting.com is a site that you're going to be give it a try, you definitely want to have a good microphone, maybe like a headset that will go over your head with the microphone, or maybe like a boom mic of some sort. So to get started, all you have to do is just enter your email address and then read the privacy policy, and then you're good to go. So basically how it works is that you get paid $10 through PayPal every 20 minutes you complete. So when you're using this website, it pays you to visit websites or apps like I was mentioning, and when you complete a series of tasks using your microphone, then you'll get paid. So this is a great site. A lot of people are getting great results. This is a great site to have also in your arsenal if you're looking to make some side money aside from what you're doing right now. Another website you want to try out is enrollapp.com. This is another one that's very, very similar to usertesting.com. And let me go ahead and kind of show you what that looks like. So this is going to be a sample test, and this is really all you do, guys. So you click here and you click on Let's Begin. So let's begin this question. So click on where you might get some inspiration for upcoming trips. So right here, you kind of look at this and maybe you might get inspiration from maybe visiting Paris, France. So I'll go ahead and I'll click that, and then I'll click continue. What does this page make you feel? Select up to 3. So begin this question. Okay, so this is a picture of New York. I will put joy because I've been to New York. I trust and anticipation. Yep. So when I went to New York a couple years ago, I actually had a pretty good experience. So this is what I will put from looking at this website. So I'll go ahead and continue. Okay, so now it is asking me, why do you feel this way? So I had a great experience visiting New York for the first time a few years ago. So go ahead and continue. And once you are done, you just basically fill this out, fill out the age, education, income level, and complete the test, and it's easy as that. So enrollapp.com, definitely want to check that out, and you see how easy it is to take the test. Now, another test that I recommend is testingtime.com. And what's great about this is the same thing, where you can earn up to $50 an hour using testingtime.com. So To get started with that, you do the same thing as the other websites as mentioned, is you enter your first name and an email, and then you become a tester. You'll see here is that you're going to tell them a little bit about yourself so that they can find the test project that you would like. It takes no more than 3 minutes. Naturally, your profile will be used for matching purposes only. So depending on the questions and the survey that you fill out, then they're going to best closely match you with a test project that is suited best for you. So you go ahead and you accept, you'll get an email invitation, then you simply answer the question, pick up the time that fits your schedule, and then opportunities to participate will be awarded for first come, first serve. So what this means here is that once you get an email, you definitely want to take action right away and start taking that test before anyone else, because there's other people here too that are on testing.com, and you want to be one of the first people to do that as well. You test and then you get paid. And at the agreed date and time, you will participate in a guided usability test either with the client in person or via Skype. And once it's completed, you'll get paid within 10 days. This is a great one too, testingtime.com. Another one that I mentioned was usertesting.com, and also enrollapp.com. So if you're looking to make a side income or side hustle or to make money online, if you don't have any money, or if you have a full-time job and you're just looking to generate an extra income stream every single week, definitely sign up for all 3 websites. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got a lot of value. Don't forget to leave me a comment or a question below this video. Smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification. This is Nate Leung signing out, and I will see you in the next video.